Nasdaq and Dow traded extremely bullish today, specifically Tech 100 has posted a very strong recovery move, moving towards 21,570 levels, while US 30 is also now seen 42,900. What to expect now with the US session from the Tech 100 and Dow Jones? Are we looking forward to a stronger rally which is going to take 100 21,700, 800 zone, while US 30 beyond 4300, 43,000, 43,200. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit? Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into Nasdaq, followed with Dow. Let's have a look at the Tech 100 on the hourly charts. See, Tech 100 has posted a megaphone pattern here with the support at 21,270 to 280, now trying to retrace. There is a possibility that we may see a move towards 21,444.50 zone, and in fact beyond that we can see a stronger move which can take it towards 21,380 400 zone. So these are the two support levels which I am looking at. You can also notice on the upside it is appears to be a bit exhausted here, and now only buying entry to be at around 21,565.80 zone, where you can expect it to move further highs. Now notice this, notice the formation here. uh, rise retracement, and now see, this is how it has been trading. This is at the top of it. The bottom of the channel now lies at around 21,350, and the strongest support now at around 21,280. So as long as now Tech 100 stays above 21,300, 280, do not treat this as bearish. Can we expect it to drop below that? There is a possibility. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. See, stochastic overbought here, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI extremely overbought. It is ready to form a V shape, means it can try to retrace from here. Possibility is high. Coming to 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, now it is delivering a bullish wave here, and it is trying to stay in this channel here. Moving averages crossed over here, which is definitely a bullish sign, but I can see a bit of exhaustion here on the upside until see, this is going to be difficult for it to stay now about 21,600 and 700 zone. This is going to be difficult for it to break beyond this. Also, a good megaphone is seen, so a possible retracement cannot be denied, where the prices can move now towards 21,440 and lower levels. Moving averages crossing over here definitely is a good bullish sign, but it comes with the possibility of a retracement as well. Now on the downside, see, these are the levels towards 21,300, 21,320, 200, which is going to be the greatest support here. On the downside, as long as this zone is not taken, we have to be cautious with the sells for Tech 100 for the day. When you look at the stochastic, this is overbought here. The MACD is also divergent and bullish. The RSI is overbought as well. So it appears that there has to be a little possibility of a retrace. On the 3 hour charts, though, it is delivering increasingly bullish body size, and thus any move beyond 21 580 600 should be a good indication that we are looking forward to 21 540 or 640 660 as the first target, 21 720 as the next, and beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. See, moving averages have started to converge. This is a good sign for the bulls. I will wait for a confirmation of a crossover. And now on the downside, now as long as 21 300 200 zone is respected, we have to be careful with the sells. Stochastic extremely overbought, MACD rising, RSI is at the top. Coming to 4 on the 4 hour chart, similar is the observation. See, it has formed a very strong base, then a rise here, and now this is how it has been trading. So a possible retracement cannot be denied. See, at least 21 440 450 zone should be there, but yes, I will say you have to be cautious here. Right now it is trading with tremendous bullishness, and as long as now 21 280 300 zone is not taken, and in fact 21 200 is not taken for the day, for the week, should not be treating Tech 100 as bullish. Yes, it is trading extremely overbought here on the stochastic. MACD is also bullish, while RSI is running flat. Coming to the day, on the daily charts, notice what is happening for Tech 100 here. Drop retracement, drop retracement. I have earlier mentioned that it is trying to trade in this bearish channel, with the top of it towards 21 700 800 zone. So as long as now Tech 100 stays below 21 800, we have to be cautious here with the buys as well. And this is possible that it can post a recovery towards 21 800 followed with a drop here. This possibility cannot be denied. At the same time, today what has happened, see, it has started on a bullish note and consistently traded bullish. It is possible that it can deliver similar size of candle, which means it has a potential for moving towards 21 660 and 710 zone as well. But I think at this point you have to exercise a bit of caution, as it is getting a bit of exhausted here on the upside. I will definitely watch out how it on the upside towards 21,580 600 zone. Stock IC rising, MACD bearish trying to converge, RSI is rising as well. So now time for me to give you the levels, and before I give you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering the moves here, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 21,580 levels. Expect 21,620, 660, 21,718 levels. Beyond this, 21,800 is there on the cards. Though I think it is going to be increasingly difficult for Tech 100 to break or stay beyond 21,600, 700 zone. This is going to be very strong resistance zone. Beyond 21,720 is where 21,800 should appear, the next strongest milestone. While on the downside, now I will recommend a selling entry at 21,550, where you can expect 21,475, 21,440, and 21,400. Three strong support levels. Below 21,400 is where we can see 21,360, 21,300, 320, and any drop below 21,300 and 280 zone is a sign of bearishness, sign of reversal, sign of a drop towards 21,200, below which massive bearishness is on the cards. Take your positions accordingly. Chances for such a strong drop appears to be less. Coming to Dow. See, US is also trading bullish here after this greater drop. It has now breached this resistance zone and it appears to be trading with bullishness here. But I will say the zone here is going to be difficult. 43,000, 43,020. These are the levels you should be cautious of. See, it is trading in this bullish channel where the high is now at towards 43,000, 43,020 zone. That should be the level only above which you can expect more bullishness. And see, the moving average is crossing over here. Definitely is a good sign for the bulls. Every rise is followed with a little retracement, and now this is almost at the top. So once you see it hitting 43,000, 43,020, there is a possibility of a move towards 42,800 from those levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI back to overbought levels. Coming to 2-hour charts, similar observation here on the 2-hour charts, moving in this bullish channel here. Be careful till 43,000, 43,020 levels, only above which you can expect more bullishness to prevail. And yes, it is possible hitting the zone, it can reverse as well. Though the moving averages are crossing over here, this is a very good sign for the bulls. The support level still towards 42,600 is very strong. Stock IC back to overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI rising here. Coming to 3 on the 3-hour charts here, similar observation here. Staying with the buys, looking upwards, trying to trade bullish. I am looking forward to this zone here at 43,000, 43,020, and a possibility of a drop from these levels is very high. Let's see if it shows such a stronger dip from the levels, because once it starts to reverse from those levels, we can see it again back to 42,800. Though ideally the bearishness in US30 is only and only if you see it is staying below 42,600, which appears to be difficult. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising. On the 4-hour charts, also similar is the observation. See, a very strong support is created, trying to trade bullish. We can look forward to this zone here, but I think it is going to be very difficult for it to stay above, though every resistance is meant to be broken. But what I am looking at, see the drop here, retracement, higher lows, so higher highs. And see, if it stays above 43,000, 43,020, stay bullish for 43,200 and 43,500 levels very soon. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising here. Coming to the see on the daily charts here, it appears to be moving towards 20 period, and that is why also this zone is very critical at 43,000, 43,020. Hitting the zone, there is a possibility of reversal. Beyond 43,020, we are looking forward to 43,200, 240 zone. Possibility is there. See, this is Dow zones. If it can drop sharp, it can bounce back up again. See, it has formed a double bottom. It appears if it breaks beyond 43,500, it is looking forward to a greater recovery in the near term. Stochastic rising, the MACD has also crossed over for the buys, and the RSI is rising. Considering this, now I'll recommend you to buy at 42,960. Expect 43,000, 43,020 levels. Expect it to move towards. If this is taken, then I will expect it to move towards 43,080 and 100 in the next target, and then 43,220, 240 zones should appear. Beyond 43,200, 240 zone, you should stay bullish for 43,400 and 500 levels very soon. Though it appears to be difficult at this stage for it to break beyond this zone today, but these are markets, anything and everything is possible. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 42,880 levels. Expected to move towards 42,800 and 42,760 levels. If and only if it trades below 42,760, you can say more bearishness to prevail, and specifically below 42,650 is where the bears are waiting, else it is still not to be treated bearish. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. And this update gives you a fair bit of idea on what to expect from the Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones futures before the US session starts. So do trade, do watch, subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank